Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pair a Bluetooth device on LENOVO Legion. I'm gonna show you that on an example of AirPods, but you can use any other Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth controller, Bluetooth keyboards, or Bluetooth mice, or anything else that you may want to connect with Bluetooth. But I'm just gonna show you that on that example, and if you don't know how to put your device in Bluetooth pairing mode, there's a high chance that your device has been recorded on our channel, so you can visit a video on how to put that device in pairing mode, and if not, I suggest you reading the manual. So let's go to the control center, then click on the arrow next to the Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now I'm gonna take the AirPods, open the lid and press and hold on the back button until I hear a sound. Now they are in the pairing mode and they should display here. So I'm gonna click on show all devices. If they don't show, oh okay, they have, so I can click on them. If they don't, then click on more Bluetooth settings. They are connected now. And click on add device, then Bluetooth, and then they should show here, anywhere here, if they are in pairing mode, of course. And if they still don't, then try putting them in pairing mode again and opening the add device and Bluetooth again, or turn the Bluetooth on, off and on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.